14-piece kit, includes hair clipper guards from number 1 and 2 all the way up to number 8. Custom guard organizer, convenient and easy to use, no more fumbling with loose guide combs. Wahl Clipper Compatible. See image chart for compatible Wahl Clipper blade sizes. Wahl Clipper Quality. Wahl Clipper is a trusted brand and has over 100 years of experience in the barbering and haircutting industry. Kit contents. Color Pro guards, left ear taper, right ear taper, organizer top, organizer bottom. Genuine Wahl accessory. Buy with confidence knowing that you are purchasing a genuine Wahl Clipper produced product. The Wahl Clipper Genuine Attachment Guard Organizer with premium Color Pro guards is what you need to upgrade your clipper today. The 14-piece kit includes hair clipper guards that range from 1/2, all the way up to 1 inch. The guide combs included are the same ones included on our Color Pro clipper. The guard combs fit all standard Wahl hair clippers. Wahl is a trusted brand and has over 100 years of experience in the barbering and haircutting industry. This organizer will make haircutting at home simpler. Kit contents. Color Pro guards, left ear taper, right ear taper, organizer top, organizer bottom. Top reviews from the United States. Great fit. These are a great fit for my Wahl Sterling 9. The different levels added a needed dimension to the guards that came with my clipper. Keep your clipper oiled to avoid snags, which I experienced the first time I used them.